Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. In this academic year, we have come to a new mode of study, right? So, today I am here to summarize you the chapter of grade 7 English, and the chapter is chapter 1. Okay? The title of the chapter is The Three Questions, and the author is Leo Tolstoy. So, before going on to the story, let's see some information about Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian novelist and anarchist famous for writing the books like War and Peace and Anna Karenina and many other works. He was a Christian and believed in non-violence. His work, The Kingdom of God is Within You, has influenced the people like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King. The story takes the form of a parable, and it concerns a king who wants to find the answer to the three most important questions in life. So, here we can find a king who is in search of answers for three questions that he finds is very important in his life. Okay? Once a king gets a thought that he would never fail if he knew answers for three questions in life. Okay, so once a king thought that if I know three answers in my life, then I will never fail in my life. Okay, so what are the questions? The first question is, what was the right time for every action? At what time I should do the action? Okay, that is the first question. Second question is, who were the right people to be with? Which people I should depend upon? Okay, that is the question. Now third question is, what was the most important thing to do? If many things are there, which is the most important thing to do? Okay, like this three question. If he find answer for three question, then he will never fail in his life. Okay, he had a thought like that. He proclaimed that he would give a great reward to the person who can answer his three questions. So he said that those who know the answer, those who give me a satisfying answer, I'll give you great reward. Okay. A lot of learned men went to their with their answers. Unfortunately, their answers did not satisfy the king. So the king decided to consult a wise hermit. He saw the hermit digging the ground and did it out of passion. He did it for the hermit. He kept on asking the three questions, but the hermit also kept silent. Hours passed, and it was already sunset. So the king got many answers. उसको बहुत सारे answers मिला. फिर भी it was not satisfying. उस आंसर से, उस उत्तर से वो कभी भी सेटिस्फाई नहीं था. उसे लगता था कि ये सही है, नहीं है, ये सही नहीं है, और कुछ है इसका आंसर. तो उसने डिसाइड किया, आई विल गो टू अ हर्मिट. हर्मिट मीन्स साधु, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, वही है हर्मिट. एंड ही सॉ द हर्मिट डिगिंग द ग्राउंड एंड ही डिड इट आउट ऑफ पैशन. सो ही वॉन्टेड टू हेल्प द हर्मिट. तो उसने एक साधु के पास गया. वहाँ जाकर उसने देखा कि वो साधु वहाँ का जो ग्राउंड है ना, उसे वो डिग कर रहा है, ओके, कूद रहा है. Then he helped the hermit. He kept on asking the three questions. While doing the work for the hermit, the king asked the questions. King ने ऐसे ही question पूछते ही रहा. But the hermit did not say any answer. He did not reply anything. Like that, hours passed and it was already sunset. Okay, तो ऐसे ही hermit ने कुछ answer नहीं दिया और ऐसा ही time चला गया और it has become sunset. Okay, the hermit saw a bearded man running and his hands on his stomach. He was wounded and dying. The hermit told the king about it and they helped the bearded man. Okay, at that time when it was sunset time, there came a bearded man who was running and coming there, and he had one hand on his stomach. Okay, and he was wounded and dying. Okay, some problem was there with the bearded man. He had some wound and on the stomach and he was dying. That the hermit told the king that let's help him, and they helped the bearded man. तो hermit और king ने दोनों ने मिलकर वो आदमी जो भाग कर आया था उसे हेल्प किया, उसका मदद किया, उसकी इलाज किया. ओके. The next day, the king woke up and the bearded man saw him and apologized to him. He admitted that he was an enemy of the king. The bearded man said that he heard about the king going to the hermit, so he tried to kill him. When he was on his way, he was attacked by the king's soldier. तो एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, दूसरे दिन ये बियर्डेड मैन उठकर पहले किंग को देखा और किंग से कहा कि मुझे माफ़ कर दो. apologize, he just apologized. Okay, he admitted that he was an enemy of the king. और उसने कहा कि एक्चुअली मैं आपका एनिमी हूँ, मैं आपके दोस्त नहीं हूँ, आपकी शत्रु हूँ. and he said that he heard that the king is going to the hermit, so he tried to kill him when he was on his way. तो ये hermit के घर पे आ रहा है किंग, ये सब ये बियर्डेड मैन जान चुका था. तो ये किंग को किसी भी तरह मारना है ये सोचकर वो आया और रास्ते में उसको किंग का सोल्जर ने पकड़ा और उसे बहुत मारा और ऐसे ही उसको वो पेट पर वो वूंड हुई थी, ऐसा उसने बोला और माफ़ी भी मांगा. ओके. द किंग आस्क्ड द hermit once again. For every question he answered. Okay, so the king asked the hermit once again all the questions and now the hermit answered. Okay, ये घटना के बाद एक किंग ने ये सब क्वेश्चन फिर से ये hermit से पूछा. At that time hermit ने आंसर दिया. Now it is the time to do every action because now is the only time that we have power. तो पहला क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिला कि कब करना चाहिए एक्शन, तो वो है नाउ, अभी. जो कुछ है हम उसे अभी करना चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम, नाउ इज़ द राइट टाइम. और सेकंड क्वेश्चन था कैसे पर्सन्स पर डिपेंड करना चाहिए, राइट पर्सन कौन है, ऐसा था. तो राइट पर्सन इज़ हु यू आर विथ. तो उसका आंसर मिला कि आप जिसके पास हो उसी वक्त पर, तो वही है आपका राइट पर्सन. और तीसरा क्वेश्चन, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, कौन सा बहुत थिंग है मेरे सामने, बहुत काम है मेरे सामने, तो मैं उससे कौन सा काम पहले करूँ, ये होगा. ये था ये क्वेश्चन और उसका आंसर था द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ टू डू गुड फॉर द पर्सन यू आर विथ. ओके, एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है कि कुछ भलाई करो जो आपके पास है, जिनके पास आप रहते हो और जो व्यक्ति आपके पास है उसके लिए कुछ भलाई करो, वही बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट कार्य है. ओके, आई थिंक आई हैव ट्राइड टू समराइज यू, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी मोर क्वेरीज लेट्स जस्ट finish it off or solve it in our online classes, right?